Hello everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center here at Schlick Art Studios, where today I'm going to discuss how to work on some stretches for your neck, especially if you're glued to one of these every single day. So let's get started with it. What we're going to start off with first is there are two different muscles in this back area of our neck here that everyone always complains about. So I'm going to show you how to stretch both of those right now. So we'll start on the left side, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our left hand and just hold the bottom part of the chair here, and you're going to take your right hand and you're going to tilt your head and bring your ear to your shoulder on the other side. You should already start feeling a stretch on that left side, and then from there what you're going to do is then bring your head down and you'll feel even a deeper stretch, and then again holding this from anywhere from 10 seconds to 30 seconds. This hand here, while holding here, you can lean away from it and you'll feel a deeper stretch into that muscle, and then you'll relax, and then you can do the other side. Now the next stretch is going to hit the secondary muscle that lives right underneath this big trap, which everyone complains about with that nagging little shoulder blade issue and those knots. And so it looks very similar, our just head is turned differently. So I'll just show you on the left hand side. I'll put my left hand up against the chair here, and then we're going to take your right hand and bring it over your head, but instead of turning and looking to the same side, we're actually going to turn and look away and down towards the floor. And again, if you want to feel that deeper stretch, you can then lean away from the hand that you're holding onto the chair for. And again, holding this from anywhere from 10 seconds to 30 seconds, feeling that nice deep stretch into that neck, into that shoulder blade area. And then relax. Okay, so now we're going to switch to the other side. So you're going to take your right hand, hold that bottom of your chair, and we're going to stretch the first muscle, which is that nice big trap muscle here. So again, now you'll take your left hand, bring it onto the other side of your head, lean away, and then looking up towards the ceiling, and also leaning away, you'll feel that nice deep stretch into that trap. Again, holding that anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds, and then we're going to go and switch and stretching out that other muscle that kind of hits into that shoulder blade area. So again, for that one, same premise, but we're just going to look down and away this time. So again, holding on with my right hand, taking my left hand, and then leaning away and looking down into the floor, feeling that nice deep stretch into that shoulder blade area. Again, holding these stretches anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds, feeling a nice little pull into that area. Doing all these stretches 2, 3, 4 times a day while you're sitting at one of these bad boys stuck at a computer all day. So again, I'm Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center. If you are dealing with these issues and you have questions about any of these stretches, feel free to come chat about them when you're in office next, and we'll talk again soon.